To download the Huawei Health app on your iPhone, simply go to the Apple App Store and launch it, and then go to the search function and type Huawei Health. And when you hit the search button, you should see the Huawei Health app available for you to install on your iPhone. Now, in case you do not find the Huawei Health app in the official App Store, then you might need to change the region or location of your iPhone. So you might want to go to Settings. Under Settings, go to General, tap on that, and then under General, go to Language and Region, tap on that, and then change your region to another region. So maybe you could be in a region like the US where there are kind of some restrictions with Huawei. So you might want to change your region to a different country. So once you do that, you can either restart your phone and then try again, or just close the App Store and launch it afresh and then try again. And you should get the Huawei Health app available in the App Store. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.